That doesn't get old. That does not get old. We're hanging out in Daikoku and the ACR Aston Martin guys just happen to be here. They actually make carbon fiber parts, dry carbon and wet carbon. We actually had a chance to shoot Daniel Song's Aston Martin at SEMA this past year, but the kits are actually made in Japan. So we're gonna hang out with these guys. We're gonna go to Shibuya. We're gonna do rolling shots along the way. I'm gonna drive my R34 GTR. This is gonna be fun. Bro, why does it sound like that? It's so loud. Whoa! Oh my god! It sounds. It sounds. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, that's actually crazy. You can't even hear yourself think. I can't hear my car at all. Oh, that downshift! Ah! It's crazy because it's spitting rocks at my car.
And you're smiling.
Oh, I'm smiling. The diffuser is working. It's actually picking up rocks.
Oh my god, let's look at it at work.
That doesn't get old. That does not get old.
Oh, so good.
That is the angriest car to shoot in Tokyo. It is so loud. But the thing is, it just sounds so good and it's ear piercing. Like, I'm actually damaging my eardrums by following him.
But you want to keep following him.
But I want to keep following him.
Let's keep following him.
All right, let's do it. So ridiculous. Look at this guy. You're crazy.
Thank you. Thank you.
Unbelievable.
Thank you, Mira.
It sounds so loud and it looks so good, but it just, somehow it works.
Thank you very much.
So okay, what is the original idea? Why did you want to modify Aston Martins?
I like Aston Martin. I love Aston Martin. This Vantage is road car.
This is more of like a touring car,
Yeah.
like a GT car, not really a sports car, but you're making it.
Wide body
Yeah.
and low styling and more downforce. I like.
It's so much downforce that you're picking up rocks, and the rocks are hitting my my car, and I'm okay with it because obviously I'm getting my car
scratch.
painted. No, it's okay, it's okay. But it actually works. You could see the rocks getting kicked up, but it just looks so good. So what year is this one?
9.
2009. Yeah. 2009. Okay.
Oh, 08.
08. Okay. It looks like a brand new car.
I like this model. Aston Martin racing car is this model, GT4, GT3, GTE, all this body. I like this body.
So then, can you show me what you changed on this? So this is your wide body,
Yeah.
and this is carbon?
Oh, yeah. Oh, carbon fiber paint.
This is carbon.
Yeah.
Where does it become metal again?
Maybe this right.
Oh, okay. So carbon, but you painted this?
Yeah.
This is carbon, this is your
Yeah.
part that you make. This is all carbon.
And V12 Vantage styling carbon. And bumper. And but
Is this kind of like an inspiration from the race car?
yeah. Inspiration is racing car GT3 and GTE.
Because Aston Martin never came out with the street version of their race car. Not like this.
No like this.
So how much wider? How many centimeters is it?
Front is 9.5 centimeter wide. Rear is 14 centimeter wide.
Each side, or both sides? Both sides. Okay. 9.5, 14.5. 2 meter
Yeah, 2 meter.
wide. Very wide. So then, okay, so all this is carbon. What about the engine? Is it stock?
And now, after supercharger, step by step.
So then when you put on a supercharger, how much power?
Maybe 600. I bought 800.
800? It's already so crazy.
GMR supercharger brand in UK.
See, the thing is, I don't really see that many Aston Martins in Japan. I've never really seen that many. You know, in Japan, Lamborghini and Ferrari are the most popular. So this is the first time I'm doing an interview where we're gonna use a digital translator. You know, because part of it is that this car is just so cool, and for me, it's not different in terms of like it being a wide body, carbon, little bits here and there as a street car. For me, it's cool to see this in Tokyo. That's like the thing that's special. So what did you want to say?
日本でアストンマーティンのオーナーは若い人が増えてきている。
In Japan, more.
In Japan, more and more young people are naming Aston Martin.
Okay. More and more young people are starting to drive these cars in Japan. So then, what about the interior? What have you changed on the interior?
Next project, racing seat. Next project.
And what is that steering wheel?
Oh, prototype model.
Something you made?
Yeah. Like a Valkyrie.
Okay.
Oh, Balkan. Like a Balkan. Like a racing steering.
And then what about the splitter? That's something you made too?
This diffuser is late model.
Oh, okay. You're making a new version.
Yeah, yes. Second model.
So then tell me about the exhaust. Is it straight all the way?
Straight, GT4 type, GT4 exhaust.
It's like from the race car?
No catalyzer.
Straight, no cat, all the way back.
Racing
That's why it
cars,
sounds so
racing
crazy.
cars, racing catalyzer. This guy is no catalyzer. Big sound.
That's why it sounds so insane. I cannot believe how ear-piercing it is. It's so loud. And it sounds so good from my car. I can't even hear my car. I can't even hear myself.
Maybe illegal.
That's the most un-Japanese thing. Maybe illegal. Oh, so good. Well,
This wide body is tire size. You check, please.
tire size. 345, 25, 20. I guess if you have 800 horsepower, you need 345s.
There was no wider tire.
You can't fit a wider. Yeah. So then, what is stock? Like 285, something like that.
275.
275 stock.
Vantage S model 305. Vantage S model.
345, and then the front's 305. Jesus, so wide. So then, what about the brakes? Are those stock?
Brake is stock now.
And then wheels, Vasan? What? Yeah, what size are the wheels?
Front is 11.5, maybe. Rear is 12.5.
The carbon is so, the carbon work is so good. Just look at the weave. I mean, I'm shining my Larry light, my Type S Larry light, just because we're shooting in a parking garage right now, and I just kind of want to show off how good the weave and how good the carbon looks on this car.
この車は今年のデモカーでこれからいくつかの新しいパーツが出てきます。
This car is this year's demo car and some new parts will be coming out soon.
When the car is done, I want to see it again.
新しいパーツの始めは来週のアンダーグラウンドミーティングに間に合うでしょう。
The new parts will start next week, so it will be ready in time for the grand meeting.
Oh, okay. Cool. Awesome. Very cool. Well, thank you so much. Yeah, nice to meet you.
Thank you very
Very
much.
cool.
Thank
So
you.
cool. Yeah, thank you. Oh my God. Oh shoot. It's going down, dude. It's going down. Hey, thanks for watching. If you want to support us directly, go to larrychenprints.com. I print and sign every single one of these. This is the perfect gift, or it's the perfect piece of art for your wall.